The apple crop, Tasmania's main export, is fortunately saved, although a number of individual orchards have been ruined. State officials say all shipping commitments can be met, but the fire's overall effect on the economy is incalculable. The Premier, Mr. Rees, says Tasmania has been set back 10 years. Others, more optimistic, say 5 years. The state has lost a carbide plant employing 250, a cannery, a brewery, timber mills. Damage is put at $25 million minimum.
I was out on the land out there. I cut the wood away out on what you call the shepherds, and I could see the smoke coming up, and I thought, well, it's about time I got down to see where what the smoke was coming from. But I didn't quite get right home at all. I just got down. The flames was alongside the road as I was coming down the road, and I got as far as Snug down here, and I started to come up round here, and people coming down, they stopped me. I said, "You don't go any further, there's a wall of flame." Oh, I've lost all my wood pile that I had in all for the winter months, and I suppose I'd have about 200 tonne or more in the yard, and in the bush itself I've got about 400 tonne, and it's all gone.
So the timber that's standing in the scrub has also been burned?
That's right.
What does this mean to your livelihood?
Well, it means that I've got to give up and go and look for a job now, because all the wood's all blackened out in the bush and all my stock's all gone. I've got no hope of...
You've got absolutely no hope of starting up again?
I don't think so, no.
The figures are grim enough. Some 1,400 houses and buildings destroyed, some 4,000 people homeless. But figures can only scratch the surface of a great human tragedy. They can't describe what it's like to look around one day and find the only thing you own after years of scrimping and saving is the clothes on your back. So the heartbreaking job of reconstruction begins. Hundreds of luckier families open their homes to the refugees. Food, clothing, blankets and money pour in from across Tasmania, from mainland Australia, and from all over the world, and are channeled into relief centres. Mr. K.B. Hawkins is Controller of Civil Relief and Rehabilitation. His job, get the refugees on their feet again.
We've got this in hand now. This is okay. We'd much prefer if you just hang fire for the minute on any food or furniture and this sort of stuff. Yeah, we've got what we want from our immediate needs to sort of feed and house and clothe these people.
One of the state's biggest concerns is to keep the homeless and jobless from picking up stakes and moving back to the mainland. The government has offered free replacement of uninsured homes and compensation for those only partially insured.
Well, cash is the shot. That's mainly what we want now. No more clothing, no more clothing, no furniture at the moment. If we know you've got it and we want it, we can get it afterwards. Yeah, well, our furniture comes into this next stage, which is developing, which is the sort of rehabilitation of him back in his normal environment. But now we've got him catered so far as housing is concerned at the moment. If he's not with friends who are looking after him, well, we've got him at Brighton, or we'll be putting him into snug camp at the weekend. So we've got that covered.
At Snug, almost overnight, a new town has appeared. The huts are being sent in by the Hydroelectric Authority. Perhaps they're little more than boxes, but they mean that families can sit down together again under one roof for the first time since the fire. It's a bare beginning, but a beginning nonetheless. The scars have burned deep. Tasmania will not forget Black Tuesday.